Hey guys, in today's video I am going to try out BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask, Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I've heard so many good things about this that I've been dying to get it, so I'm excited to try it out. And even though I'm going to just try it the one time, right now I'm going to keep using it maybe once a week. I'll follow up and let you know how I'm feeling about it. And yeah, so this conditioning mask has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So I did a video on one of their styling creams, which I actually loved so much. It just felt so natural. They really use all natural ingredients. Let me just see. So it's for those with dry, damaged, chemically treated, and or lifeless hair. It's an intensive weekly treatment to restore essential hydration, which I need, and enhance hair's resilience to protect against future damage. Again, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no DEA, no artificial dyes. And what's in it is all these natural ingredients: rosehip oil, algae extract, B vitamins, almond oil. And yeah, so I'm excited to use this because I really loved the styling cream, which I'm going to use also when I style my hair today. So I'm going to go and I'm going to go use this in the shower. What you do is after you shampoo, you put this in and leave it in for 10 minutes. You can also, which I'm going to probably do, see how I feel another time, is just, put it after you clean your hair, come out of the shower, whatnot, and leave it in like 30 minutes, maybe even overnight. Imagine how great that would feel. Because I have really dry hair, so I think this would be really great for like an all night mask like that. And yeah, so but today I'm gonna just do the 10-minute because it says 10 minutes should be good. And yeah, I'm excited to try this out. So let's get right into it. And just to show you, okay, it just like their products smell refreshing and clean and natural. So you can see it's like a cream. Typical cream, like conditioner kind of feeling. Alright, so I'll get right back to you. Hey guys, okay, I'm back. I went in the shower, and after I shampooed my hair, I put the BRIOGEO hair mask in, and I left it in for about 10 minutes, maybe even a little longer, rinsed, and then I styled with the BRIOGEO Curl Charisma styling cream. So it's actually called Leave-In Defining Cream. It's running low because I really like this to get some more. But my hair feels wonderful. I don't know if you could see my hair. I think it looks really nourished, and it really, it really does make your hair feel, like a treatment was done to it. Like it's soft and it's it looks good. Like it looks healthy. That's the word I'm trying to get. It looks healthy. I think that using this over time, once a week would be great. And the next time I think I'm going to do like a 30-minute leave-in, even longer, maybe an hour, who knows. Because like again, I have really dry hair, and you wouldn't even, it does not feel dry like at all. Like this is a really good product, and I suggest getting this. It smells so good. All their products smell so good, and it's all natural, which is great. There's no bad stuff in it. It's only made with real natural ingredients, and I really like it so much. So yeah, definitely a go for me. Throwing in a little shout out to the styling cream, and but yeah, definitely I would get the hair mask, especially if you feel like you have dry hair or you have damaged hair from heat or whatnot, anything. It will really make your hair look and feel wonderful. You could see up close. You could see how healthy my hair looks. Like, and it feels great. And yeah, I really enjoyed this product. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Hope it helps you out. And please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's it. So have a great day.